Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you love pasta like me, gather here. I have sweet gist for you. Guys, this recipe will take your pasta to another level, higher grade. So guys, let's get straight into the business of the day. So this is the key ingredient we are using for our pasta, Gino Patty Jollof Mix. And over here we have our onions, scotch bonnet pepper, spring onion, green pepper and carrots. So first I went ahead to stir fry my sausage, which I already marinated for about 10 minutes. And I stir fry for 5 to 7 minutes. And at this point my sausage is ready. So after this process I added oil to the pot. Then pour in my chopped onion to saute for about 5 to 7 minutes. Guys, I'm telling you for free, this is one of the easiest and the most delicious pasta recipe, trust me. So next, I added my patty jollof mix. And guys, I kid you not, this jollof mix is the bomb, trust me. If you've never tried this jollof mix, please do, you will thank me for it. So I went ahead to fry this for another 7 minutes. And guess what guys, this is not sponsored. I also love the outcome this gave my pasta. And why not guys, I have to share. So guys, as you can see, this is well fried. So I'm just gonna set aside and go ahead to make our pasta. So guys, I'm doing this because I don't want overcooked pasta. So this is the process to make your pasta. You just add oil and salt to a boiling water. And guys, your jollof pasta should be cooked for 7 to 8 minutes. We don't want overcooked pasta, okay? So guys, our pasta is ready. I set aside and we are back to our jollof mix. So I added my scotch bonnet pepper, then thyme, and for extra flavor I added my Italian seasoning, which is optional, then chicken seasoning, curry powder, bouillon cube and salt, and then stir. And at this point the aroma coming out from my kitchen was calling. And after this process, I poured in my already cooked spag. Meanwhile, I didn't sieve the water from my spag because this mixing was just 3 minutes and you need your pasta water to make that delicious and yummy pasta, okay? So what I did was to pour it in my sieve and pour it in the pot immediately. So I added more of the water, then combined. And lastly, I added my carrots, green pepper, spring onion, and stir-fry sausage. So guys, if you watched till this time and you've still not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free, totally free. Please subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like, comment, and share. Thank you. And guys, after this process, I just cover this to steam for about 3 to 5 minutes. And finally guys, our delicious pasta is ready. So thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.